Welcome to Section 1 Introduction. A firewall is essential for network security. It's your first line of defense. Think of it as a gatekeeper, controlling network traffic by allowing good traffic in and keeping bad traffic out. Without a firewall, your network is vulnerable. Hackers can easily access your data and malware can infect your systems. That's why you need a firewall to protect your network. Moving on to Section 2, Types of Firewalls. There are several types of firewalls, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Common types include packet filtering firewalls, which examine individual packets, checking the source and destination IP addresses and the port numbers, and allowing or blocking packets based on predefined rules. Stateful Inspection firewalls keep track of the state of connections and can block packets that are not part of an established connection, providing more security than packet filtering. Next-generation firewalls, or NGFWs, combine traditional firewall features with advanced security features. They can detect and block malware and control user access to applications. Choosing the right firewall depends on your specific needs, so consider your network size and your security requirements. Now, let's delve into Section 3, Functions and Features of Firewalls. Firewalls provide a range of functions and features that are essential for network security. Packet filtering allows firewalls to examine individual packets and decide whether to allow or block them, based on predefined rules considering factors like source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols. Stateful inspection helps firewalls track the state of connections, ensuring that incoming packets are part of an established connection, and blocking those that are not, which helps prevent unauthorized access attempts. Network Address Translation, or NAT, helps firewalls hide internal IP addresses from the public internet by translating private IP addresses into public ones, adding a layer of security and preventing external hosts from directly accessing internal systems. Additionally, firewalls can support virtual private networks, or VPNs, creating secure connections between networks and using VPN technology to encrypt traffic, thus protecting sensitive data transmitted over the internet. Finally, we reach Section 4, Firewall Rules and Policies. Firewall rules and policies are crucial. They dictate how a firewall operates. Rules are specific instructions that tell the firewall what to do with individual packets based on various criteria, including IP addresses, port numbers, protocols, and applications. Policies are broader guidelines that define the overall security posture of the firewall. They specify the types of traffic allowed or blocked and outline the level of security enforced. Effective firewall rules and policies are essential to ensure that your network is protected from threats. Section 5. Real-world examples of firewall usage. Firewalls are used in various real-world scenarios. They protect networks of all sizes. Let's explore a few examples. Starting with home networks. Home routers often include built-in firewalls. These protect home networks from internet threats. They prevent unauthorized access to personal devices and data. Moving on to businesses. Businesses use firewalls to protect their internal networks. They safeguard sensitive data from external threats. They also control employee access to the internet. This helps prevent data leaks and malware infections. Lastly, data centers. Data centers rely on firewalls to secure their servers and data. They prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. They ensure the integrity and availability of critical services. Overall, firewalls are essential for securing any network connected to the internet. Section 6. Firewall Deployment Best Practices. Deploying firewalls effectively is crucial for optimal security. First, choose the right firewall. Consider your network size, security requirements, and budget. Select a firewall that meets your specific needs. Next, configure rules and policies carefully. Define clear and concise rules. Ensure they are aligned with your security policies. Regularly review and update the rules. Place firewalls strategically at network boundaries. This controls traffic entering and leaving your network. Lastly, implement redundancy. Use multiple firewalls for redundancy. This ensures continuous protection even if one firewall fails. Section 7. Firewall Maintenance and Monitoring. Ongoing maintenance and monitoring are essential for firewall effectiveness. Regularly update firmware. Firewall vendors release firmware updates. They address security vulnerabilities. Keep your firewall firmware up to date. This ensures optimal protection. Monitor firewall logs. Firewall logs provide valuable information. They show traffic patterns and security events. Analyze logs to identify suspicious activity. Conduct security audits. Regularly audit your firewall configuration. Ensure it aligns with your security policies. Identify and address any vulnerabilities. Proactive maintenance and monitoring help ensure your firewall remains effective. Section 8. Future of Firewall Technology. Firewall technology continues to evolve. Firewall technology addresses emerging threats. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being integrated into firewalls. This enhances threat detection and response capabilities. AI can analyze network traffic patterns. It can identify anomalies that may indicate malicious activity. Cloud-based firewalls offer scalability and flexibility. They can protect cloud-based applications and data. They provide centralized management and security policy enforcement. Integration with other security tools is also on the rise. Firewalls are increasingly integrated with other security tools. This provides a comprehensive security approach. It strengthens overall network protection. Section 9. Conclusion. Firewalls are essential for network security. They act as the first line of defense. They control network traffic, block threats, and protect sensitive data. Understanding the types, functions, and features of firewalls is crucial. Implementing best practices for deployment, maintenance, and monitoring ensures their effectiveness. As technology evolves, firewalls will continue to play a critical role in safeguarding networks from ever-evolving threats.